When animals, including dinosaurs, eat, most of what they eat is digested, so you can't see it in their poo. But sometimes some things go through their bodies without being broken down, and we find them in the poo that comes out of the dinosaur at the end. Sometimes that happens in humans. You might sometimes have noticed little pieces of sweet corn in your poo. That just means that part of the sweet corn wasn't digested in your body, and it's really, really normal. It's really useful for scientists to work out what animals might be eating, and it's been useful to find out what dinosaurs might have eaten. Inside your two poos, which weren't real poos, but they were the closest thing that we could get to keep it nice and safe, hopefully you found a spider in one of them and a leaf or a few leaves in the other. So, do you think that these came from the same dinosaur? Well, some dinosaurs are carnivores, which mean that they eat meat. Some dinosaurs are herbivores, which mean that they eat plants. And some dinosaurs are omnivores, which means that they eat plants and meat. So the poo that had the leaves in it, that must have come from either a herbivore or an omnivore. And the poo that had the spider in it, that must have come from either a carnivore or an omnivore. So it's possible that these poos were from the same dinosaur, if that dinosaur was an omnivore that ate plants and meat. But it would have to be from two different meals, because it's unlikely that we would find just plants or just things from animals in the poo of an omnivore. Normally we'd find both. So it's more likely that the one with the spider came from a carnivorous dinosaur, and that the one that just had the leaves came from a herbivorous dinosaur. So it's likely that they would be from two separate dinosaurs. It's not definite. It might have been from an omnivore, from two separate meals, where it ate just meat one day and just plants the next, but it's more likely to be from two different dinosaurs.